Hey guys, welcome to my channel, welcome back to my channel. If you're subscribed, thanks for popping back. If you're not popping back, then subscribe and you can pop back next time. You know how it be. Sorry for shouting at you. Today we're going to be reacting to the album KHALED, not the whole album. We're going to react to Big Paper today for Cardi B. So as a barb, I'm going to react to it now. I'm not keeping the feud ignited. I'm just reacting to it and, you know, Barb reacts. That's just going to be a little thing I'm doing, okay? Oh, not me falling. Yes, I will also be reacting to a few other songs off the album. I'm thinking I'll do I Did It, and I don't know, maybe another one as well. But let's just get straight on with it. Okay, so it's kind of a hard beat then, so that's fun. DJ KHALED. Oh, so they've got Cardi B at the start, which is an interesting choice. But okay. 3 times? I mean, the line was okay the first time. Big paper, so I'll deal with big haters. It was okay the first time, but it was a very average line the first time. You know what I mean? He says we don't need to repeat it 3 times, you know? It was about a 4 out of 10 line the first time I had it. So let's not drag it on. 3-year break? From what? 3-year break from, literally from what? Hasn't she literally been out since, like, 2018? She's literally been mainstream since, like, 2017, 2018. Like, seriously, you've not had time for a 3-year break. I get the rhyme, but it's okay. It's better than I thought it was going to be. Because I saw Doja Cat put something on Twitter about, like, oh, she's doing, like, vocals. So I thought she'd be, like, singing. I was like, oh, no, here we go again. But no, she's actually not. So, could have been worse. You know what? This is actually very, very close to being... You know what? It's just slightly not hitting the mark for me. I feel like that last bit was slightly offbeat, just a little bit. Not by a lot, just a tad. I don't know what it was about that. Some bitches move culture out the classy. Got these hoes body anybody saying they don't want my body. Some bitches move culture out the classy. Interesting. Her using the whole sun line. Obviously, that's a very typical Nicki Minaj thing to do. You bitches still my sons. Very typical her thing to do, so very interesting. Yeah, it's kind of good. Well, not my good. It's okay. It's the bars are very basic level. And I know people be, oh, she wrote it quick. But, like, other rappers write faster than that, you know? Like, Nicki Minaj writes verses in hours, you know? Not that we can really compare Cardi B to Nicki Minaj, because Nicki Minaj is in a whole different league from any other female rapper. There's really no comparison. But, you know, 5 number 1s, you got nuns. Like, it doesn't even really make sense. But, okay. You know what? It's so nearly there to being good, but just then, like, rapping done twice. Like, let's add a bit of spice to it, Cardi. You know what I mean? Let's add a little bit of, like, you know. She did make it very clear she did write this one, so I don't know. Maybe that's why. Like I said a minute ago, it's so close to being good. It's slightly offbeat. The punchlines are slightly weak. Offbeat, weak. Not me being a rapper. They're slightly just a little bit weak for me. They needed to be a little bit harder. But it is fun. You know, it's kind of good. It's just not, I don't think it's good enough. You know, I expected a little bit more. But it's okay. You know, it's all right. Think 1, 2, 3. It was okay. You know, I'd probably give it a 6 out of 10. I think it was okay. The punchlines were weak. The flow was slightly offbeat. But it was okay. you know, it wasn't an awful song. I've heard worse. I've heard way worse. It just wasn't great. You know, it was quite an average song. You know, it was very average. Yeah, it was okay. Let me know what you guys thought about it down in the comments. If you liked it, let me know. If you didn't like it, also let me know. We can have a little chat about it. You know how it be. But that's exactly that. That's all I'm gonna say for you guys today. So see you later, guys.